In this episode of 10 Best Ones, we are going to check out the top 5 best hair straighteners in 2018. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I tried to list them based on their price, quality, durability and more. If you want to see the price and find out more information about these hair straighteners, you can check out the links down in the description and the comment section below. Okay, so, let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Capozzi hair straightener. The Capozzi hair straightener has all the features to help you keep your hair looking amazing all the time. Despite the market being flooded with many different flat iron brands, Capozzi stands out to offer some of the best hair straighteners out there. The Capozzi hair straightener is a very affordable and ergonomic hair straightener which is comfortable to hold in your hands for long periods of time. It has a great temperature range which goes from 122 degrees to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, which is amazing because most hair straighteners use higher temperatures and that usually damages your hair. This hair straightener is mostly targeted toward people that just want to have their hair straightened, and that's why this product features 1-inch plates. This makes the hair straightening process much easier and faster, but on the other side it makes styling a bit harder. One thing I liked a lot about this hair straightener is that it has a 60-minute auto shut-off feature which is useful for people that usually forget to turn off things, and who knows, it might even save your life someday. The plates are coated with titanium and that makes them fantastic at smoothing out even the frizziest of out-of-control frizzy hair. It has ceramic plates which are wrapped in titanium. This means that it can hold heat consistently and for a longer period of time. This will make the hair straightening process a lot easier and faster. At the top of this straightener, there is an LCD screen which will show you relevant information about the device such as the temperature and your current settings. This is very useful for people which have weaker hair that can get damaged easily. Overall, I would say that this is the best budget option out there, and you will not find a better straightener in this price range no matter how hard you try. So, if you are someone on a budget and want a good hair straightener, then definitely go with this model. Moving on, at number 4, we have the BaBylissPRO Ultra Thin Straightening Iron. The BaBylissPRO Nano Titanium Plated Straightening Iron is a great choice mainly for hair salons and it's designed to be used by many people. It is a great option for personal usage also, but considering the price tag I would recommend you to look for cheaper options if you plan to use the hair straightener just for yourself. A flat iron is as good as the materials used in its manufacture. The plates of the BaBylissPRO Nano Titanium are of nano titanium. Titanium can conduct heat at incredibly fast rates, which means that it will reduce your waiting time. It also retains heat at a consistent temperature during styling while emitting beneficial ions to your hair. This heat results in quick and consistent straightening which allows moisture to remain in the hair strands. The infrared heat emitted by titanium penetrates the hair shaft from the inside, thus reducing damage to hair. Thanks to this technology, you no longer have to worry about a frizzy look or damaged hair at the end of styling. Titanium plates do not corrode, which means that this hair straightener will last you for a very long time. Most cheap hair straighteners damage your hair because they have very low quality plates which pull your hair. However, this isn't the case with this hair straightener because the plates used in this device are ultra smooth which allow you to style your hair gently and safely. The only thing I've noticed that is missing from this hair straightener is the auto shut-off feature. Most of the hair straighteners have it, but surprisingly this model did not include it. This might not be a big deal for some people, but I think it is important. However, if you're careful with it you won't run into any problems. Also, if you keep this hair straightener turned on all the time, the plates will heat up and the outside will get hot. You might need to use gloves when styling. This usually happens on hair salons where the straightener is turned on all the time, and I think that you won't have this problem if you buy it for personal use. Overall, it's a great hair straightener which has a lot of features to offer, so I would recommend it to everyone. Next up, at number 3, we have the Tava Infrared Flatiron. Some people have huge problems with their hair no matter what kind of hair straightener they buy. If someone came up to me and told me about that, then the Tava Infrared Flatiron would be my recommendation to them. The Tava infrared flat iron is a great budget option for people that have struggled to find a hair straightener that is suitable for their hair. There are 10 regimes ranging from 265 degrees Fahrenheit up to 465 degrees Fahrenheit, giving you the possibility to choose the temperature depending on your hair type. Its stylish silver appliance and unusually wide plates look fantastic, and in my opinion they make this hair iron look unique. What is unique about this hair straightener is that it uses infrared technology for hair straightening. Under the influence of infrared rays, the scales of the hair are sealed tightly, which keeps all the moisture and nutrients, allowing the hair to retain and restore its vitality. The plates have a tourmaline coating providing a heat flow of charged ions for maximum smoothness. Another interesting point is the width of the plates, which are over 2 inches long, and that makes the hair straightening process a lot more easier and faster. The work of the device is based on the unique technology of a dual plate, where the plates warm up evenly for perfect styling. Earlier, I talked about how important I think the auto shut-off feature is. Well, thankfully this device has a 60-minute auto shut-off feature which will reduce the risk of any undesirable accidents. The only thing I've seen people complain about is the design. Some people would consider this hair straightener not very comfortable to use, due to the weight and the unusual design, so your hand may get tired pretty quickly, resulting in the styling taking more time than usual. Overall, I think that this is one of the best value for price hair straightener out there, and I would recommend it to anyone, no matter their hair types. Moving on, at number 2, we have the Hsi Professional Glider. The Hsi Professional Flat Iron is a great iron which will provide you with an easy and fast way to give you smooth hair that looks amazing, no matter the type. The Hsi Flat Iron is perfect for any kind of hair, and it takes half of the time what other iron will take to give you the same straight and sleek hair. The best part is that it not only can straighten your hair, but it also can curl and flip for different styles and looks depending on your mood and wishes. The Hsi Smooth Glider Flat Iron is packed with the most advanced technology that seal in the moisture of your hair and give you shiny, smoother results that last longer. This hair straightener has a high temperature adjustment option which ranges from 240 degrees to 410 degrees, which means that it is suitable for all kinds and types of hair. This device looks simple, and indeed it is. It doesn't have flashy LCD screens and countless buttons on it that make it much harder to use. It has an indicator light which turns red while it is heating up, and turns green when it is ready to use. That's all you need in a hair straightener in my opinion, and any more unnecessary add-ons would have made it hard to use. This iron offers you multiple styling options for your day-to-day life. They can not only straighten your hair but can give bouncy curls, giving volume to it. And every time you use Hsi Professional Glider, you can get a feeling like that you have just walked out of a hair salon. I would recommend this hair straightener to people that like to style their hair. Since it has 1-inch plates, it's very easy to style your hair with. If you don't care about styling and just want to get rid of that curly morning hair, then I would recommend you to get a hair straightener with larger plates which can get the job done faster. Overall, it's a pretty nice hair iron, which has everything you need to make your hair look exactly the way you want it to. And finally, at number 1, we have the Carmen G3 Salon Pro. Carmen G3 Salon Pro is a professional ceramic iron that is widely known for its unique look and performance, due to the fact that it can strengthen and style different types of hair, so you will look like a real movie star. This particular model features an all-black, lightweight construction, which I really like, since you can be very mobile as you're styling your hair, and get every lock of your hair. The other advantage is that, if you're a frequent traveler, well, you shouldn't stress much, due to the fact that this model is compact and lightweight, so you can easily store it to your backpack, or case, and before you have to meet with your business partners, you can take an advantage of it, and make your hair look special. Like is the case with most of the hair strengtheners on the market, the G3 has ceramic plates that are covered with a tourmaline, with the intention to deliver the best possible performance without damaging the hair. That's why, the ceramic surface will prevent those scenarios, and instead, it will properly guide your way to your ultimate goal, which is to have the best hair look that will always be styled properly. Since I've mentioned the hair styling, this unit can strengthen, curl, flip and style your hair without damaging your hair during its process, due to the fact that it outputs negative ions and an infrared heat, which will make your hair look silky and shiny. Moreover, the Carmen G3 has variable temperature settings that range between 120 degrees in Celsius to up to 240 degrees in Celsius, which I find it particularly useful, since this unit can accommodate a wide variety of different hair types. Another great thing about this hair strengthener is that it has an auto sleep mode, so after an hour of usage, it will shut off by itself, so you will know when you can get a short break, since your hair has to look good, and not otherwise, right? Before we finish, I'd also want to mention that the Carmen G3 has anti-slip edges, so as you can see, there can't be something related to your hair that this unit can't do. To conclude, you should consider the Carmen G3 seriously, and if you ever decide to purchase it, you will assure yourself of its unique performance. Thanks for watching, I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the future, and if you have any questions related to these hair straighteners, you can leave a comment down below and I will get back to you as soon as I can.